So, dear student, this course I am going to propose under the MOOCs program. So, this course title is Municipal Solid Waste Management. So, you know that in developing countries like India or even in the developed country like Asian countries or African countries, the solid waste management is one of the very important issue. And especially with the India, when our Prime Minister has announced the Swachh Bharat mission is became one of the very important or prioritized issue in most of the municipal corporation area or urban local bodies ULB. And when you talked about again one of the very important scheme, that is smart city had been also proposed, and it was discussion with the smart city, like the city is properly connected with the internet or communication or transportation. Also had discussed that every city need to be properly connected with the water supply, wastewater collection, and also solid waste management become one of the very important issue when you talk about the smart city. Because if any city do not have the proper waste collection system and proper treatment system, is very difficult to become a smart city. So, under this course the name suggested the solid waste management course, but when you talk about talk about the management, I mean solid waste management, it is not only the management issue, it is also the collection, that is very important issue, and also collection, after that the how best we can dispose the waste. So, dispose also including the treatment issue. So, it is not only the simple management issue which management guys can normally propose as a data collection in the management issue, but in the solid waste management it is including the collection followed by the transportation, disposal and treatment process. So, normally this course, if I explain this course, normally we will start the discussion onto the household where the waste is getting produced or getting generated. So, the characterization and other issues we will discuss initially in this course, and after that this waste is going to the dustbin area. So, normally this dustbin, there are different type of dustbins where waste is getting stored off, and this waste is getting disposed in the dustbin area by the households or wherever the sources are there, and also sometimes we will find some kind of collection that normally we called as a primary collection. With that the waste is getting into the dustbin area or on-site storage area, and after this dustbin it is going to the disposal area. So, sometimes the disposal area you will find the different kind of treatment system itself at the centralized location at disposal site. Also somewhere we will find the proper transport issues. Entire flow chart of this solid waste management course is start from the sources to the disposal one. So, in this course we will have 12 modules and almost a 30 lecture hour, 30 lecture and 30 lectures, where we will start from the discussion onto the sources of solid waste management. Also we will talk about the collection and finally the disposal, and in disposal, before disposal we talk about the different treatment issue, could be possible for biological treatment issue or chemical treatment issues. So, this is about the course which and I believe that this course will be very helpful for your knowledge, and also to know about the solid waste is become a very important issue in India. So, hopefully you will enjoy this course and will be very helpful for your knowledge increment to the degrees. Yeah. Thank you.